Okay, introduce who you are.
Hi, my name is Karen Nyla, and I'm going to do the guppy name. I'm a guppy. And guppies don't smell, but I do.
Do it again.
Okay.
Do it again.
I'm a guppy. Guppies don't smell, but I do.
Okay, now do it. Jack. Okay, now do the daddy thing. Do the chubby. Come closer.
So this is called the chubby.
Come closer.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, my name's Chubby. My mom's chubby, my daddy's chubby, and my dog's chubby. One day I was on a motorcycle, and it said go faster, Daddy, so we went faster. And it said go faster, Daddy, so we went faster. And slow down, Daddy! Thank you.